morning. We just got out of bed. We're absolutely fitted up right now. Katie got me this beanie for Christmas. It's part of my Christmas present. So we both got each other like matching beanies.
And didn't even realize.
Did not plan it at all. I got her a bright orange beanie, and it has like a happy face on it. And I have the same one in white, and then she got me this. You have the same in purple?
I don't know. I think I might beat you in the worst outfit.
You do beat me a little bit with the slippers.
The slippers, the lemon pants, the glasses.
Yeah.
I'm just living. I do not want to be up.
I'm tired, but I'm hungry.
I just ran away. Whoops. It was almost yellow.
It was, why did I say orange?
Einstein bagel review, unexplainably satisfactory. So incredibly average. Look at all this cream cheese. Ugh, gross. Bella just like dissected her bagel. Don't go there.
It was disgusting.
Don't go there. Bagel Boys, if you have Bagel Boys, go there. 10 times better. Whatever that place was called, it's gross. Like, I get if you're understaffed, but like, they were mean.
Yeah.
They were mean. The place was gross. I don't know. I feel like it's not that hard.
Just a little bit of like customer service can really make a difference. Like, that just was not happening.
It was gross.
And,
Don't
like,
recommend.
I don't think I've ever had a bagel where like I don't like it.
Yeah,
and,
like
that was
how do you
gross.
mess up a bagel? Like, it's really not that hard.
Like,
It was just
they like piled on the cream cheese, and like the cream cheese wasn't even good. Like, it tasted like stale.
the whole thing was just bad. Whatever. It's 1 p.m. now. Time to go home. It's literally 3 p.m. and I'm finally getting out of bed to shower. Bella left probably like an hour ago and I fell back asleep, but I need to shower so bad. Like, it's actually gross. I don't know. I stay exposing myself on the internet. Like, what the heck is this? We had like these fun plans that were gonna happen today and it kind of just all came crumpling and crashing down. So instead, I'm gonna do some self-care. We are gonna take all the steps to have like the best shower ever because I hate showering. So I'm gonna show you guys the products I use because I get so many questions. People ask me what I use in the shower. So I'm gonna show you guys. We in the shower. For shampoo and conditioner, I use this. So they actually just repackaged it. So this is the old packaging and this is the new packaging. I've been using this Suave shampoo conditioner for literally years. Like, I honestly don't use anything else. So this is what it looks like. This is what it would look like if you bought it now, but it's just like almond shea butter. I don't know if it's good. I've just used it for so long and I like the smell and it always like makes me feel clean. I have a friend who works for L'Oreal and they make this hair care company called Biolage, and they sent like me a ton of it, our whole family a ton of it, a really long time ago, and so I'm still using this up. So it really just depends. I'll just use like this. I think it's the same thing, but this is just like their shampoo. So it's like all from like, you can get it from Target, Walmart, Publix, you know, like all your grocery stores. I don't use anything fancy. I never really have. This is the body wash that I use, Raw Sugar Simply Body Wash, Raw Coconut and Mango. I just use it because I really love the smell of coconut and it smells really good and it has really natural ingredients in it. So I like that. They also donate to a good cause. So when you buy this, I think it's like, yeah, for every product sold, they donate 1 bar of soap to families in need, up to 5 million bars yearly. So it just goes to a good cause. I kind of like to support that stuff, but there's no sulfates, it's vegan, all that kind of stuff. Just use it as body wash. I put it on my little loofah. And then for face wash, CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. I've been using this for so long. So long. I also, when I shave, I exfoliate my legs and I use this Tea Tree Hut like sugar scrub. You guys saw I got a new one from Walmart the other day, but I have to use this one up because it's almost empty, and this one also is coconut. I love the smell of coconut. It's like my favorite. That's about it. The only other thing I use is like this head exfoliator. So when I'm washing my hair, I like scrub my hair like that. This is from Amazon. It's linked on my shop, but I shop on Amazon, link down below. All my Amazon favorites are on that link, so if you want to buy it, check it out. This was like $5 and it literally like exfoliates your head. It's so nice. I think that's it. That's all I really use. Use this men's razor and that's it. So I'm gonna take a really nice shower. I'm gonna listen to music. I'm gonna exfoliate. I'm gonna shave my legs. I'm gonna wash my hair, my body, everything, because self-care is important. Okay, shower time. Iconic shower shot. Ready? Glass. Oh, wow. hello vlog. I pulled myself together. I took a shower, let my hair air dry, and just put some makeup on. And now I'm picking up Drew and we're going to Bella's house and we're gonna wait for Preston, who you guys all saw in my vlogmas. I think it might have been day 7, I think. I'm not sure, but we all hung out and we're gonna go bowling tonight. So I'm really excited, but we're waiting on Preston to finish like his family dinner. So I'm gonna get dressed, pick up Drew, and then we're all gonna go to Bella's before we go to bowling. So I think that's gonna be really fun. Some little Saturday night plans. I thought I would actually vlog tonight because I feel like I have to add some spice to this vlog. It's pretty much just me like looking ugly, so we're gonna add my friends into it. Here is what I'm wearing. Please ignore the mess. This top is just a tank from Amazon that's also linked on my shop, but I shop on Amazon if you want to get it and match. I have the same color in like a bunch of colors. Then this jacket I unboxed yesterday is from Boohoo Man. It's like this oversized gray zip up and I'm obsessed to say the least. What else? These leggings are just black leggings from Story, and then I'm just wearing my high old school gray Vans to match my zip up. But yeah, my camera battery might die tonight. If it does, please don't hate me. I'll vlog on my phone, but going to get Drew now and head to Bella's. Stop vlog, we're at Bella's. She's curling my hair. Ugh, no Presto, guys. Presto not coming to bowling with us. Lame. Drew putting makeup on.
There's like stuff on it.
So pretty.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
What is this?
It's for your eyeliner.
It has black on
Is
it.
it a air? Or
It has black on it.
Stop. I already have eyeliner. I'll do it to you.
No, it shouldn't.
Touch bar?
Oh, there is stuff on it.
Well, it's the only thing I asked for.
Can you put it back?
Katie, if you keep moving, I'm gonna kill you.
That's why I didn't move.
Someone's in a bad mood.
Bella's always in a bad mood recently. Hey guys, we made it to bowling. There's Drew. Bella's putting in our names right now.
About to bowl 300
What's average?
for you.
For me, yeah.
30.
Oh, you think I could get 30?
31.
Points.
You'll
You get 2.
2? I could get 2. I don't know about
With
30.
the bumpers, you're gonna get at least 7.
Okay, good. Look at our shoes. Fit it up. Are you gonna win?
Of course.
Of course. Go, Bella. Move, I can't see. Oh. What was that, like 5? I got more than you. Big bowling girls right now. Yeah, bowling girls. And everybody meet Grayson. This is Bella's brother. Grayson's beating us right now, but I'm close. I'm close. Oh my god. Look at those scores. Bella first place, me second place, Grayson third, and Drew last. How does it feel to be third place? How does it feel to be a loser?
Mom always said 3 ways the way to go.
Second place, I'll take it. First place, girl power. Girl power.
They used bumpers.
We did use bumpers, but we still won, so. Okay guys, we're leaving bowling, and that's it for the night. I'm gonna end Vlogmas here. Thank you for watching. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye.